So there you have it, everybody. We have 2 more good PLA direct burnout castings. This time we did one in gold and one in silver, and both turned out fantastic. So that makes a total of 3 that we've done now, directly burning out PLA and a lost wax or a lost PLA casting method that we use for jewelry. Both of these were hot casts. In other words, we were using a hot flask when we cast. And anyway, I appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell so that you'll be notified of future videos. Look forward to all your comments in the comment box. Thank you much, and have a great day.